Hi there, welcome to our first lesson for PE. It's on heart rate and the cardiovascular system. Now, these will get a little bit better as I get better with technology. Right now, I do not know how to flip my phone from facing me to facing my kid, so you're just gonna have to look around and just listen to my voice. So the heart is what pumps blood to your working muscles, and what it really is doing is supplying your muscles with oxygen, and your muscles need oxygen to move. Right now my kid is lying down because this is the least the heart has to work, because he's lying down. The heart doesn't have to pump blood up against gravity. He's lying down doing nothing. So this is as close as what we are going to get to his resting heart rate. The resting heart rate is the lowest your heart will pump. Usually it's most accurate when it's done at night. So right now, Jordan, what?
64.
His heart rate is 64 beats per minute. So my kid doing nothing, lying down, his heart is pumping 64 times in 1 minute to supply his muscles and body with oxygen. Now, the more your muscles work, or the more intense the activity, the more oxygen your body needs. Therefore, your heart has to pump faster. So, my kid is going to stand up. So it's not a lot different. It's not a lot different, but he's now standing 66 beats per minute. That's fine.
Okay.
66 beats per minute. So he's still not doing a lot, but the heart has to work marginally faster. Okay? Now my guy's going to do a little bit more. He's just going to walk on the spot. Maybe a little faster, dude. Okay, so now we're walking. This is like walking in the mall, walking to your class. Swing your arms a bit, kiddo. Okay, so now he's walking and moving. So he is now using his, keep going, using his muscles a little bit more. His heart will have to pump a little bit faster to supply the working muscles. What are we at?
71.
71. Okay, now we're going to work a little bit more. We're going to go into a jumping jack. So now he is working significantly harder. So if you think about him lying down, the intensity or the amount his muscles have to work is higher. Therefore, his heart has to pump faster to give those muscles oxygen. All right. So what are we at, kiddo? Heart rate?
80.
80. Okay. Now we're going to do something super intense. He's going to go down and do a climber. Mountain climber.
Oh.
Okay, and he's going to do it as fast as he can. Like, just go hardcore, buddy. Hardcore. So he's pumping as hard as he can go. So now he's working
91.
91. Okay, thank you, Jordan. Okay, so what the basic idea here is that when you increase the intensity of your heart rate, when you increase the intensity of what you are doing, you increase your heart rate. So the harder you're working, or the more your body is moving, your heart has to work harder. Also, when you increase your time, or the length of time that you are moving, your heart rate will also go up. More work, more heart rate, higher heart rate. Other big idea. Resting heart rate is the lowest your heart beats, usually when you're sleeping. I'm going to add one more thing here. When you're exercising, the max heart rate is 220 minus your age. So for Jordan, if he was to exercise, the max his heart should really go, he's 17, 220 beats minus 17. His max heart rate would be 203 beats per minute.